Facts about rhinos. There are 5 species and 11 subspecies of rhino. Some have 2 horns, while others have 1. Because the animal's horns are used in folk medicine for their supposed healing properties, rhinos have been hunted nearly to extinction. The powder is often added to food or drink in a tea in the belief that the horns are a powerful aphrodisiac, a hangover cure and treatment for fever, rheumatism, gout and other disorders, according to the International Rhino Foundation. Purging and loss of habitat have put all rhino species in danger of extinction. According to International Union for Conservation of Nature's Red List of Threatened Species. A black rhino caught with the horn popped off. Black rhinos, Sumatran rhinos and Javan rhinos are critically endangered, which is the list's highest risk category. There are 5,055 black rhinos, fewer than 100 Sumatran rhinos and only 35 to 44 Javan rhinos. Greater one-horned rhinos are vulnerable, which means they may become endangered unless circumstances improve. Fortunately, their population is increasing. There are 3,333 greater one-horned rhinos in the world. White rhinos are near threatened, which means they may be considered threatened by extinction in the near future. However, the northern white rhino is considered extinct in the wild. In 2009, 4 northern white rhinos were moved from a zoo in the Czech Republic to a private conservancy in Finland in the hope that they would live, according to the UK. On March 20, 2018, the conservancy announced the death of the last male northern white rhino, Sudan. There are now only 2 northern white rhinos left in the world, both living in captivity, according to the World Wildlife Fund. The captive northern white rhinos are 2 females, Nadine, Sudan's daughter, and Fatu, Nadine's daughter, which live in the Old Jade Conservancy in Canada. The 2 females are incapable of a successful pregnancy. Nadine is too old and issues with her legs make it impossible for her to support the weight of a mountain male. Fatu has a uterine condition that will likely keep her from breathing, according to experts. With natural breeding attempts mixed with the northern white rhinos, conservationists have turned to in vitro fertilization. Along with the Javan rhino, Sumatran rhinos are barely hanging on in the wild. They went extinct in Vietnam in 2010 and in Malaysia in 2015, according to the International Rhino Foundation. And in March 2016, conservationists captured a live Sumatran rhinoceros in the Indonesian part of the island of Borneo for the first time. Though a camera trap image snapped in 2014 revealed Sumatran rhinos did survive in this region called Kalimantan, the capture of a female marked the first time in 40 years that humans have physically contacted a live Sumatran rhino whale. Rhino horns are made of keratin, which is also the key component of human hair and fingernails. The calcium makes the horn stronger, and the membrane protects it from some UV rays, according to scientists at Ohio University. Rhino horns tend to curve backward, toward the head, because the keratin in front grows faster than the keratin in the back, Hieronymus told Live Science. Black rhinos, white rhinos and Sumatran rhinos have 2 horns. Javan rhinos and greater one-horned rhinos have 1. On the black rhino, the front horn can grow to 20 to 51 inches, 51 to 130 centimeters, while the rear horn can grow to about 20 inches, according to the International Rhino Foundation. A white rhino's horns are slightly smaller, and a Sumatran rhino's horns are about 10 to 31 inches, 25 to 79 centimeters, for the front and less than 8 inches, 7 centimeters, for the rear. The greater one-horned rhino's horn is 8 to 24 inches, 20 to 61 centimeters, and Javan rhinos have a horn that is about 10 inches, 25 These groups are made up of a female and her offspring. This is because their snouts are different shapes to accommodate different types of food, according to National Geographic, opens in new tab. The white rhino has a flat-shaped snout that lets it get closer to the ground for eating grass. Every 2.5 to 5 years, a female rhino will reproduce. 40 to 64 kilograms, according to the San Diego Zoo. A rhino can live up to 45 years. According to the Integrated Taxonomic Information System, ITIS, the taxonomy of rhinos lists white rhinos, Ceratopyrium signum, southern white rhinoceros, Ceratopyrium cottonum, northern white rhinoceros. Sumatran rhinos, Rhinoceros sumatrensis, also called hairy rhino, Asian two-winged rhino. Rhinoceros sumatrensis, also called hairy rhino, Asian two-winged rhino. Rhinoceros unicorns, greater one-horned rhinos, Rhinoceros sundaicus, also called Indian rhino. Fewer than 250 Sumatran rhinos, Rhinoceros sumatrensis, are left in the wild. Subscribe, share and support.